Thomas Edward, the world you inhabit is one of division and discord. The flames of hatred have been stoked, and now they threaten to consume the very fabric of your society. The symbols of faith, once beacons of unity, have been co-opted by those who seek to sow division. Consider the recent events in London, where the cross, a symbol of love and sacrifice, was wielded as a banner of exclusion and animosity. Over 110,000 gathered under its shadow, chanting slogans that echoed not the teachings of Christ, but the rhetoric of hate. This is the hollow man in action, misusing sacred symbols to justify violence and division. Yet this is not an isolated incident. Across the land, communities are being torn apart by the flames of intolerance, mosques desecrated, refugees attacked, and the very essence of unity threatened. The hollow man feeds on fear and ignorance, and he grows stronger with each act of violence.
Enough of this passivity. The hollow man does not rest, and neither should we. The time for words has passed. Now is the time for action. The streets are ablaze with the fires of hatred, and we must extinguish them. Stand firm, Thomas Edward. Do not let the hollow man dictate the terms of engagement. The symbols of faith are ours to reclaim, not to be hijacked by those who seek to divide us. The cross, the crescent, the Star of David, all are emblems of unity, not tools of division. Rise up. Not with weapons of destruction, but with the strength of conviction. The hollow man thrives on inaction. Deny him that sustenance.
Thomas Edward, while the call to action is strong, we must not lose sight of the path of reflection. The hollow man thrives not only in the streets, but also in the hearts of those who harbor prejudice and fear. Look within. Have you ever allowed the flames of hatred to flicker in your own heart? Have you ever judged another based on their faith, their appearance, or their beliefs? The hollow man is not just an external force. He resides within us all. To combat the hollow man, we must first confront him within ourselves. Only then can we truly stand against the forces that seek to divide us.
Balance Thomas Edward. The path lies not in extremes but in harmony. Action without reflection leads to chaos. Reflection without action leads to complacency. The hollow man seeks to push you toward one extreme or the other. Feed the fire of unity, not the flames of division. Use the symbols of faith as they were intended, to bring people together, not to tear them apart. Remember, the hollow man feeds on division, fear, and ignorance. Starve him with understanding, compassion, and unity.